Hello friends, today in this tutorial I'll be showing you that how to embed a WhatsApp chat box inside a website for helpline. So basically whenever you go to a website you look for a helpline. Let's suppose you want to talk to the owner of the website. So WhatsApp is a very popular app, and you need to chat with the WhatsApp, the owner of the website. So I will be showing you a very special jQuery plugin with the help of which you can embed a simple chat box inside your own website as well. If you have a WordPress website, you can embed this widget simply at the bottom of the website. So basically it's a floating. So whenever the user scroll on the website, it will stay at the bottom of the page. So you can see this is a demo here. If the user click on this icon, WhatsApp icon, it will open like this. So basically you can have multiple persons having their WhatsApp. You can also show the picture as well of the profile picture. You can show the name, customer support, or like this is a second person, third person. So whenever the user clicks on that, it will chat inside their number. So I'm currently logged inside my desktop, so I need to open this WhatsApp web. So you need to provide the number, profile picture, name, that's it. So this is a jQuery plugin, guys. It allows very easy access to the owner of the website. You can also embed for your own website as well. If you have a personal website, you want to embed the WhatsApp widget, you can use this special jQuery plugin I found on the internet today. So I wanted to make a video on it. So it's very simple, guys. In order to embed this, you can also use one user as well. If you have a single owner, if you have a personal website, or if you have a team website, you can have multiple people WhatsApp numbers having team replies in a minute. So you have seen these on multiple websites such as hosting websites or any sort of enterprise websites. They have their own owners, and they tell you the customer support numbers. So let me tell you now how to do this. So this is a plugin, guys, which is a simple floating WhatsApp chat plugin, which is made up of jQuery, simple jQuery, and HTML and CSS. So basically this is a plugin here. So I have written a complete blog post on my tutorial website codingshiksha.com. So if you want to get all the source code, you can go to the description of this live stream. So just go to the edit option and you can go to the description of the live stream to get all the source code. So if you're watching it for the very first time, then please hit the like button, subscribe the channel as well. So you can see this is the single file required for this purpose. So simply go to this file here, copy this file, copy to clipboard, and just make your index.html file. Simply paste it. That's it. So open with live server. Now you will have this widget. So you can just modify the name, phone number, active. You can also change the image as well. So now let me just start from scratch, guys, how to do this process. So just make an index.html file inside your favorite text editor. I'm using Visual Studio Code text editor. So now we will go to our blog post. So let me change the title, WhatsApp chat box widget in website. So I can also change floating. It will be floating whenever user scrolls on the website. It will stay at the same position. It will be floating. So it's very easy. So if you go to my blog post, guys, I have written this source code. Basically this is for this purpose jQuery will be required. So if you want to include jQuery, you can simply include the jQuery CDN. So simply have jQuery CDN here. So simply you can include the CDN. This is very simple. For this package you will require jQuery. Simply include it. After that you will now need to include the JavaScript for this package. So I have given the source code as well. So basically just copy all this source code wherever it ends here. So basically, so this is all the CSS as well. Let me show you the CSS. Let me copy this whole here. So until head ends here, where the head tag ends, simply you need to, let me also delete this, paste it. So basically, guys, you can see that this is a JavaScript for this plugin. So basically this is a JavaScript for this plugin, and also it comes with its own CSS styles. the styling purposes, this is a CSS. You can see style tag. You can also split this into multiple files, but for simplicity I have just copy pasted inside a single index.html file. So now inside your body, guys, let me now write this code step by step just to explain you what is happening inside this plugin. So basically inside this body, what we need to do is that we need a simple paragraph. So basically you can just have WhatsApp chat and a simple div. Basically this div will be holding a button. This will be floating button at the bottom of the website. So basically if you now refresh it, you will now see this paragraph here, WhatsApp chat. So now guys, what we need to do is that we need to show that floating button. So we will write script, and basically you can also do this for single person as well. So basically if you go to the documentation, they have tell you can do it for a single user as well. So if you are a single owner of the website, if you want to provide the customer care, so basically this is the name here you need to give, put a comma here, sorry. So basically the reference will be the my button. So we have given the ID of the button here. You can see that this needs to be same. So here you can change the name here. Let me change it to my name, Gautam Sharma. And then you can give your own phone number, 9821254649. This is my number. So here customer support, and here you can change this to anything, any question. Header message, icon color you can also customize. You can customize according to your own website, guys. You can see that. Now you can see that if anyone types this message, you can see that it is floating here. So whenever someone clicks on it, they can send you this message here. Feel free to ask any question in WhatsApp. If they click send, this will open WhatsApp. So if you're viewing this website on mobile phone, it will directly open your WhatsApp app. So that way it will be very easy. So now to float this inside this user, guys, it's very simple. I think if you go to it, my website here, I have given this source code. Let me just paste this code here and then explain to you what is happening. Let me copy this, so paste it here. So basically what is now happening, guys, so we can also change this to single user. So this is for multiple user, and if I change it for single user, so put a comma here. So this is if I open with live server. So basically what is it's saying that this is for let me change it to selector users, header message, chat box message, color, WhatsApp chat. So basically if I open with live server, now you can see it is floating here. I think why it is not doing it for single user, let me see. WhatsApp chat dot single user. So WhatsApp chat, let me see. WhatsApp chat dot single user. So single user, for single user you will have a single object. We don't have this users, so yes, we will have a single object like this. So if I open with live server, once again it is not showing it. I think, guys, for single user you will have this interface, and if you have multiple users which are owner of their website, you can simply have multiple things out there. So basically this is the script for multiple users, so simply copy paste it. So this is doing the same thing here. Basically it is providing, if you have multiple owners of your website, then you can provide multiple details out there. You can also change the profile picture, if I change this to change the name to my name here, 9821254649. So here you can change the picture. I can change to my picture, which is located. You can go to your own website and change it, procodestore.com. So I have this picture on my website available. So I need to simply copy image address. So 4 people are watching the stream, guys. Welcome to the this live stream. So here we have built a simple WhatsApp floating chat box for your own website. If you want a customer support for your website, you can simply use this plugin of jQuery in order to have WhatsApp support. So you can see that now this has taken my profile picture. It is customer support. This is my name, Gautam Sharma. You can see if the user clicks on it, it will be redirected to the WhatsApp number here. Simply they need to click it, and for the simplicity I can don't have this, so simply delete all this. We can have a single person here, that's it. So basically now what will happen, only single person will be there. You can see that. So only a single person is there. This is fantastic. You can see that. So if you have a single owner of the website, if you own your website purely, then you can use it. This can also be embedded inside the WordPress widget section as well. So if you have a WordPress website, you can embed this index.html file right here. Simply embed this into a widget. You can install this as a plugin. Just go to widget section and select custom HTML and then copy paste that. You can also do that. So if you liking this content, guys, please hit the like button, subscribe the channel as well. So basically this is the thing by how you can embed the WhatsApp chat box as a floating widget inside your own website. So if you like this video, guys, then please hit the like button, subscribe the channel as well, and I will be seeing you in the next live stream.